You want to take your video editing skills from basic to mind-blowing? This pro CapCut hacks will instantly make your edits smoother, sharper, and way more engaging. Due to the encouraging responses and reactions I got from the last video, I decided to make another video showing you more tricks and effects that will take your editing skills to the next level. Let's get started with the text reveal effect, which will instantly give your edits a sleek and professional touch. Let's get into CapCut. Import your video and drag to the timeline. Duplicate the video on your timeline. Add a text layer and type in the text of your choice. Also remember to place your text at the desired spot on the video. Select the text layer and the duplicated clip and make it a compound clip. Go to the masking area and add a split mask to the compound clip. Then add keyframe to adjust the position of the mask and slowly reveal the text. To give more depth to the effect, you want to increase the feather, and there you go. The next effect is the text behind object effect. This gives a 3D feel to your videos, and it also works well for thumbnails. Let's create it. Import your video and drag it to the timeline. Duplicate the clip by clicking on Alt and dragging the clip. Add a text layer and modify it to your liking. Create a compound clip with the text and the duplicate clip. Bring the original clip on top of the compound clip and wrap it up by selecting the background auto remover. Now the text will be behind the person. The third effect is the spotlight mask effect. It might look like a professional animation, but it's actually super easy to create. Let's get into it. First, add a text layer to your timeline and customize your text, font, and color. Then right-click the clip and create a compound clip. Next, go to the Mask tab and choose the circular mask. Adjust the mask size to be a bit smaller and set the feather to around 15. Add keyframes to the mask position at different points in the clip, and at the final keyframe, increase the size of the mask. You can also play around the keyframe to give a smooth spotlight motion, and there you go. The next effect is the video inside text effect. To achieve this, first add a black image to your timeline, then add your text with the desired text. You also want to scale your text up. Then drag your video to the timeline and place it on top of the text layer. Change the blend mode of the video to multiply, and then the video plays in the text. To make it more cinematic, you can add keyframes and scale up the text, thereby creating a zoom-in effect into the video. So in the last few minutes, we explored 4 more amazing effects that can take your edits to an entirely new level, with each one adding a unique professional touch to your video. Stay tuned with us by hitting the like button and also subscribing and turning on notifications to get more tech related videos like this. See you in my next video. Stay tech smart.